All right, got a 2019 through 24 Audi key fob remote right here, and I'm gonna show you how to get the battery out of this guy. First thing you're gonna want to do is push this button, remove the emergency key, and now we're gonna look to remove this panel here, okay? So at the bottom of this panel, inside of it, there's a little tab that's actually holding it on. It's located right here in the middle at the bottom. So we're gonna use the screwdriver and the hole that the emergency key went through to go in at an angle like this and push up on it, and it'll bring this part of the panel up, okay? It can be a little tricky at first, and it can be a little tricky at this angle I'm working at to get it, but I'm gonna stick the screwdriver in here like this, and we're just gonna kind of feel for it, and you can kind of feel it pop up just like that, okay? And I'll show you what it looks like. So it's this little bitty foot right here, a little tab. We're just going boop, pushing it right up just like that. All right, not too bad. So like right here. All right, and then here's our battery here. We just pull it out with the screwdriver. Show you what size it is. You're trying to replace this guy. So looking at CR 2032, positive sign facing us, towards us. Put it in contact side first, which is the bottom. Click it in. I will have a link down in the description box for a new battery if you need one. The remote, top side goes in first, and we just lock it down just like that, and you're all done. Hopefully this video was helpful, and if it did, really appreciate it. If you hit the like button or leave me a comment or even subscribe, I really appreciate it. Hope to see you again in another video.